To create a 5-minute professional YouTube video on trading stocks. 1. Begin with a compelling introduction to grab attention. 3. Explain the importance of stock markets and wealth generation. 4. Highlight basic terminologies, stocks, dividends, market orders. 5. Cover fundamental analysis, evaluating financial statements and market data. 6. Introduce technical analysis, understanding charts and trends. 7. Discuss different trading strategies briefly, day trading, swing trading. 8. Explain the importance of risk management and diversification. 9. Introduce various trading platforms and tools available. 10. Highlight legal and regulatory considerations for trading stocks. 11. Offer tips on developing a personal trading plan. 12. Explore the role of emotions in trading and decision-making. 13. Discuss common mistakes and how to avoid them. 14. Summarize the key points covered in the video. 15. End with a strong call to action to engage viewers further.